we're back again sa 13. Number 13, identify branches with staff members who handle more than 50 active customers each. So, i-copy the code, put in SQL, nag-select na yung branch ID, branch name, staff ID, and i-count na to siya to this, and open close parenthesis, distinct, and customer ID as active customers. Next is, tawag na siya from branches, then i-interjoin sa staffs on branch manager ID equals staff ID. So, and i-interjoin na to customer account details on branch ID equals customer account details and branch ID. So, ipakita na to siya, which is where sa customer account details, which is and customer account status, and equals na to kung kinsay active, and i-group by natin siya by branch ID, branch name, and staff ID, and having count distinct card customer ID is 50.